Hi guys, I'm Sameera Reddy and I'm here at a Westside fashion show.
The vibe here is really great. It's breezy and it's all green and I'm loving the color palette currently.
I'm really fond of Bombay pastry and I also like LOV. They've been two of my favorites. I really love the summer collection which I just saw right now. The one thing I really love about Westside is that I don't have any difficulty finding be it color, be it Western or be it Indian or anything.
We don't want it to be a transaction. We don't want it to be a discount. We don't want it to be a promotion. We want it to be more about emotion, celebrating the customer, celebrating fashion, and celebrating the connection.
I think what I love is that your message is real. They were about how do we uplift women, how do we make them rise, how do we make people feel good about themselves.